We are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Hey guys, we are marking up TSLA. Let's walk down the time frame to find some structure. Let's head straight down. Let's head over to the 15 today. See what's going on in the market. We're gonna go back in time. Let's find an area to mark up at. Let's work with this area here. We're gonna start off with this area here. So first thing we're looking for is area of resistance. So we can see we have higher highs here. Market came all the way down to the bottom. So we're looking at lower lows here. And right in the middle, we do have that midpoint that also divides the market. Give you an idea to find the patterns easily as well. So we head back up to the top, take a look at what's going on. So the first thing we see next to our red line that we created is a pattern sitting here. Okay, so the pattern that we see, let's zoom into it. The pattern that we see is a W. So let's read the market. So we see that first leg, we see that second leg coming back down to that third. Market pushed up that fourth, and go to retest. So that's a full W. And then after that, the market pushed up once. Market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, market pushed up 4. And so that's 4 punches to the top in this tight area here in this resistance. Market came back down, created a single bottom. It's also structure here. When you start seeing these wicks, most of the time these wicks identify a leg. So it's an area of support that's showing that that market is going to push back up. You got the engulfing pattern showing that the market is strong enough. Got to retest the market, push back up. So from there, that single bottom, market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. Market pushed up a third time. That's 3 pushes to the top, average. So once you see 3 pushes, you know that the market is going to come back down. The max you'll see is probably 4. And then we can clearly see the market is consolidated over and over in that area. So if you guys are trading that tight range, you guys have a concept of how many pushes the market is going to do. But overall, let's see how many pushes that we received at that area of resistance of this line I just placed. So we have overall 1 here. We have a second one here. We have a third one. We have a fourth one. And we have a fifth one. So that's max. So that's 5 pushes to the top of resistance, and that's the max you'll see before that market retests and drops down. So we see that market spiked up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5. That's done. After 5 pushes at the top, that market's coming back down. Sometimes you don't receive a retest in these areas for that market to drop back down. Sometimes you do. And right here, we did see that retest. So market pushed down for that 5th leg, and market came back to retest. Market pushed down once, came back to retest. And we just got a big old open space in this area here. So we can clearly see that market pushed down for that second time back to the bottom. So that's an average of about 2 pushes to the bottom. And then let's take a look at what happened with the market. And the market ended up coming back up from that single bottom. So as I think about this market coming down with a red leg, okay, that's the first leg connected to the white leg. It's the second leg. Retest, and market pushed up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. And that's overall cap. Once you start passing 4 times, that's exhaustion. So the market went into consolidation. So overall, when you read the market in this area as consolidation, market spiked up once, came back down, maybe twice in this area here, came back down, got it 3 times. So it's a triple top, and then market pushed down once, twice, 3 times. Huge drop back down to the bottom. Okay. Very important information, guys. Please study and review. Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Understand patterns in the market. Also, guys, very important information. Please study breakout retest strategies. Do the same as well. Click on images. Review the market structure. Hey, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. TSLA. Stop.